Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into ADP Canada account. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe our channel and tap notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's move on and open any web browser on your PC. Type in adp.ca and press enter on your keyboard. After that, you will land it to its official website. Now tap on sign in button on the top right corner of the page. Pick the one that you like to log in from. After that, login portal will open. Here, you have to type in your user ID and password. Type in your user ID and password correctly. Tick on remember my user ID so that your system will remember your user ID, and in your next visit you don't have to type in your user ID to get logged into your account. If in case you have forgotten your password, then you can retrieve your password by clicking on forget your password link. After that, you can tap on sign in to get logged into your account. I hope this video helped you to get logged into your account. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.